Hi, it's Adam Button with Around FX. Today we want to look at the euro. Let's bring in a chart. We're seeing the euro on this hourly chart popping. There's some very strong moves in the euro from 121.50 up to 126. Some interesting thoughts there in terms of a paradigm shift going on. We're going to talk about that a little bit. But first, I want to bring in the daily chart. Again, you can see now we have a succession of higher lows, so moving up in terms of euro there. Some very positive news on the bond front, where Spain was able to sell some bonds in Portugal at yields that around where the market was expecting. Funding pressure is not going to be a big factor in the European periphery in the coming months, so certainly some reasons from a fundamental perspective for the euro to rally. But when you look at the broad risk picture, we see stocks at new lows, bonds rallying to new highs, commodities falling. Normally that has been a very negative sign for the euro, but something different has been happening over the last week or last 10 sessions. We're seeing the euro rally despite that. Now what's going on here? Is this something new altogether? We have a new quarter starting, we have a new month starting. Is that a big factor in it? We have low liquidity in the market as well, and we may have the SNB intervening to prop up the euro, at least against the Swiss franc. So those are some factors to weigh it against. On the other hand, we could be seeing US growth being downgraded towards a level where we're already at in Europe, and that's coming down, and that means relatively that's a good thing for the euro. It means US growth isn't going to be that much stronger than euro. So that is what the story is developing as, what the chatter in the market is right now, so something definitely to keep an eye on. Getting back to our daily chart from a technical perspective, big resistance at 126.70, that's a major level in euro dollar, but certainly we're seeing some powerful bullish candles to the upside, specifically that July 1st candle. We cannot ignore that. Very tough to be short euro at this point, at least until we get right up to that 126.70 level or see a failure to break above that. So that's your look at euro for today. I'm Adam Button at Around FX.